Pakistan, unfortunately, is included in that list of first 10 countries which are exposed to the vagaries of weather, climate change, and for no rhyme or reason, no fault of ours, our emission is less than a fraction of 1%. And yet in 2022, we faced devastating cloud outbursts, floods, and storms. And we lost in the process. Our economic loss is $130 billion. Large swaths of our land was underwater. Crops were destroyed. Millions of houses were destroyed. And then we have to borrow loans to rebuild those areas which were devastated. And then again in this year, we had terrible floods, cloud outbursts, and we were absolutely helpless.